Hello students, hope you all are healthy. I Anjali Patel once again welcome you all to my class, and this video is for class 6. Today we'll continue start our chapter diversity. So students, as we have to start our topics today, diversity in India, reasons for different types of diversities in India, and the third one is impact of diversity in our life. But before that students, we have to discuss the homework questions that I have given you in our last class. So let's discuss the homework questions.
Okay students, let's start with our first homework question, that is, name the unchangeable features of diversity. And the answer is, hope you get the answer already, but the answer is, some unchangeable features of diversity are: first, mental and physical abilities; next, age; next, color of the skin; educational background; migration background, experience; and the last one is nationality. Now students, our second homework question is, define diversity. The answer is, the state of being varied or the state of being different from one another is called diversity. Now our last homework question is, name the different types of diversities. And the answer is, the different types of diversities are geographical diversity, climatic diversity, social diversity, diversities in language, religious diversities. Today's topic, that is diversity in India. So let us understand that how India is a diverse country. Students, India is a country of diversity because we speak different language, we have different types of foods, different types of festivals celebrated, practice different religions. So the diversity in India is unique. Being a large country with large population, India presents endless varieties of physical features and cultural patterns. It is the land of many languages. It is only in India people follow all the major religions of the world, like Hinduism, Christianity, Islam, and Buddhism, and so on. We have linguistic diversity, means in India different languages are spoken. Now students, reasons for different types of diversities in India. So students, our first reason is vast geographical diversity. I have told you in our last class also that India is a country of diverse geographical features, means in different states and in different regions we have different geographical features which make India diverse. Now the next one is varied topography. Now what is the meaning of topography? टोपोग्राफी मीन्स डिस्क्रिप्शन ऑफ फिजिकल फीचर्स ऑफ एन एरिया. किसी भी एक पर्टिकुलर एरिया के फिजिकल फीचर्स को टोपोग्राफी कहते हैं. एंड चेंज इन क्लाइमेट, एज आई हैव टोल्ड यू बिफोर ऑल्सो, क्लाइमेटिक चेंज इज अ मेन factor of diversity in India. Now, different culture and tradition. As we all know, in India, different peoples have different culture and tradition which they follow and which make them diverse, means. And what is the reason for the different culture and tradition in India? We all know that foreign travelers arrived India from time to time, and invaders also हुआ invaders आक्रमणकारी also arrived to India. In India also contributed elements of their cultures. Who contributed? Foreign travelers and invaders contributed there, means they came to India along with their culture, along with their tradition, and their culture and tradition mixed with our culture and tradition and takes a new form. Now, language. There are about 122 spoken languages in our country, which add to the diversity into India. So different languages are spoken in our country, which makes it diverse. The next one, more than means 122 spoken languages are there and 1600 dialects, different dialects are used. Dialects of the languages means 122 main languages and dialects upbhashaएं, meaning of dialects upbhasha, a form of language that is spoken in one area of a country. So if we can see that in particular area of our country different languages are used by different people. So almost 1600 dialects are used in our country. Now, India also having many religions. We all know that different religions are followed by individuals of India, and everyone is free to follow any of the religion which they like. And the religions are like Hinduism, Islam, Buddhism, Jainism, Christianity, and Sikhism. Now, all the religions in India having the own subdivisions. Not only different religions, but these religions have subdivisions also. Like we all are aware of that in a particular religion there are castes and subcaste. एक धर्म के अंदर भी जातियाँ और उपजातियाँ होती हैं जिसमें इंडिया या लोग जो हैं डिवाइड हैं. Now the next one is they differ in their dresses. Who is differ? People of India are differ in their dresses, customs, food habits, and manners also. Means people have different social habits. They used to wear dresses, different states, different dresses, different food habits, and different manners, and different kind of festivals are celebrated, like in Assam, Bihu, Bihar, Chhat Puja, Goa, Carnival, Gujarat, Janmashtami, and so on. Different states have different festivals, which makes India diverse. Now, students, according to Indian Constitution, India is a secular nation. What is the meaning of secular? Secular, which is not related to any particular religion, is secular, गैर धार्मिक. So India is a secular country and with equal respect given to all religions. Not a single religion is followed in India. Everyone is free. They can follow any of the religion they want. India taught the world about the meaning of secularism. India ने पूरी दुनिया को बताया कि secularism क्या होता है. India as a nation with no state religion, and therefore every citizen residing who is the citizen of India within territory of India has the right to follow the religion they believes in. So students, so religion is a personal matter of everyone, and everyone has a right to follow one's own religion. For example, students, the way Hindu prays is different from a Muslim, but they both are praying for whom? They both are praying for the same God. So, India respects all the religions and the way they want to follow their religion. Now the next topic is impact of diversity in our life. As we have different religion, different caste, creed, different languages, different diversity, different geographical features. So what are the impact of this diversity on our life? So diversity enriches our life, as I have told you earlier also, that diversity improves our life, and it is very important also. Diversity sharpens our mindset and it prepares us to accept all the cultures, all the languages, all the people. So overall diversity enhance our social interaction and integration of society. समाज के साथ हमारा जो तालमेल है उसको सुधारती है और enhance करती है उसको. The diversity of lifestyle, value system and experience have both positive and negative consequences. तो diversity के positive और negative दोनों ही impact होते हैं. Positive impact, like it is helpful and important tool for breaking down social and cultural barriers and prepare us to acceptance. And whereas the negative impact, we may face some barriers with diversity also, like language barriers. Many languages and dialects are used in India, so sometimes it could be very barrier for us also. So the exact impact in many ways is not clear still.
So students, hope you understood today's topic. Today's session is completed here. Now you have to read the chapter and complete your homework questions that I have given you today. Till then, thank you and stay safe.